Fourth grading period WIG work. Story number 2, Islands of the World, Mona Island. Number 1, park rangers on Mona Island. A, help visitors set up their tents. B, show people where to find food on the island. C, teach people how to swim underwater. D, protect the land and animals on the island. Number 2, paragraphs 7 and 8 are mostly about A, the muscles on an iguana. B, the color of the sand on Mona Island. C, the animals that can be seen on Mona Island. D, the weight of the turtles on the beach. 3, read the chart and use it to answer the question. Cause, visitors wear diving masks. Which sentence belongs on the blank lines? A, they can see colorful fish underwater. B, they can find the island on a map. C, they are able to see the stars in the sky. D, they can find the paintings in the caves. 4, which word from paragraph 9 helps the reader know what transparent means? A, clear. B, special. C, many. D, bright. Question 5. Where can artwork be seen on Mona Island? A, on the beaches. B, in a museum. C, on the wall of a hotel. D, in the caves. 6. What should visitors do before going to Mona Island? A, find a hotel and restaurants that they will enjoy. B, read about the capital city of Puerto Rico. C, make sure they have a tent, food, and water. D, study information about the stars. 7. What is the most likely reason the author wrote this article? A, to tell about a place that some people might enjoy. B, to show the reader where the island is located. C, to explain why animals live on the island. D, to give facts about people who work on the island. 8. In paragraph 11, the word stunning means A, busy. B, famous. C, crowded. D, beautiful. Number 9. What is paragraph 6 mostly about? A, where visitors may sleep while staying on Mona Island. B, what kind of food to bring to Mona Island. C, why visitors should go to Mona Island. D, how visitors should prepare for a trip to Mona Island. 10. Read the web below and use it to answer the question. Enjoy the crystal blue water. Explore caves, look at animals. The middle bubble says visitors to Mona Island. Which of these best completes the web? A, visit with the Taino Indians. B, eat in fancy restaurants. C, look at bright stars. D, see old buildings. Question 11. The author included the photos to show A, where the island is. B, the animals that live on the island. C, the size of the island. D, what the weather is like on the island. Make sure you have proved all your answers and shown all your work. Good luck.